Welcome to my YouTube channel, Techie Sun.
Heap versus stack in embedded system. Stack, in case of stack, memory used for storing function call information such as local variables and return addresses. It is very fixed and also limited. So it is very fast. It is basically the size is fixed. So fixed size data will be stored in the stack register. And the memory, and it is also limited. It will not be, the number will not be, it will not be increased. It is somewhat, it is limited. Heap. Dynamic memory allocation, where memory can be allocated and freed at runtime. It provides more flexibility, but comes with risk like fragmentation and slower access. At runtime, it allocates the allocation is done in the memory at runtime. So the fragmentation and access will be slower in case of heap. These are the two differences between stack and heap. Best practice is that avoid using heap usage in embedded system when possible, especially in systems with constrained resources. If it is very less resource, kindly avoid heap usage in embedded system. Better go for stack. Use static memory allocation where possible to reduce overhead and fragmentation. So, to reduce overhead and fragmentation, because the memory is fixed, so you can just very well calculate the memory and you can calculate the overflow and everything. You can, that is possible in case of static memory allocation. In case of dynamic memory allocation, the implementation should be very careful because you have to avoid fragmentation and memory leaks because this will be allocated during the runtime. Okay. So you have to avoid fragmentation and memory leaks in case of dynamic memory allocation.
Thank you, friends.